Hello everyone, I am Advika of class 5A. Today we are going to have some fun with angles. Come on, join me. Our first activity is matchstick puzzle. All we need is 6 matchsticks to make 8 triangles. First, let's make one triangle with 3 matchsticks and make one more triangle on top of it. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 triangles. Can you guess what this is? This is a fish and I've used 8 matchsticks to make this. Now I'm going to move just 3 matchsticks and make the fish swim in the opposite direction. Let's see how. Let's take this matchstick and keep it here. This matchstick here and this matchstick here. Wow, the fish is swimming in the opposite direction. Our next puzzle is to make a house with these by moving 5 matchsticks. Let's see how. Let's move this in a slanting position and move this here and take this and keep it here, and this, let's keep it here. Move this one here. Our house is ready. Activity is angles in clock. Please focus only on the hour hand and minute hand. Right now it's positioned in such a way that it formed a acute angle. This is a right angle and this is obtuse angle. Our next activity is angles in hand. This is a right angle, acute angle. Now let's see some angles in yoga. And obtuse angle. Our next activity is angles in household items. This is a cloth pin. You can see that it is already in the form of an acute angle. This is a scale. Now I am going to show you 4 angles in this. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. This is a scissor. I am going to show you 3 angles in this. Acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. This is a paper cutter. I am going to show you 4 angles in this as well. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. This is a nail cutter. I am going to show you 4 angles in this. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. This is a book. I am going to show you 4 angles in this. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Now I am going to show you angles in my name. I am lucky to have all the 4 angles in my name. Let me show you. I have 2 obtuse angles and 3 acute angles in A. These are the 2 obtuse angles. These are the 3 acute angles. I have 4 right angles in D. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think these two also can be considered as right angles. 1 and 2. I have one acute angle in B. I have one straight angle and 4 right angles in I. This is the straight angle and these are the 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 acute angles and 1 right angle in K. 1, 2. These are the 2 acute angles and this is the right angle. And I have another A which we already did. Our next activity is angles by folding paper. Let's fold this paper into half. Now let's fold it once more and press it. Now open it and we have a line here in the middle. Take one corner and place it here. Now let's mark all the angles in different colors. This is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. And this is a right angle. Let's see the angles once more. Acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. Our next activity is making degree clock. All we need is 2 color papers, a thick chart paper, 2 sketch pens of any color of your choice, a pencil, scale, circle scale, scissors, glue and finally a push pin. First let's draw a circle in our color paper. Now let's cut it. Our next step is to stick the color paper on the thick chart paper and cut it. Let's take the glue. Now let's stick it. Let's cut the thick chart paper along with the paper. I've drawn a handle and I'll stick it in the remaining part of a thick chart paper. Let's save this for later. Now let's fold it into half. After opening this, you will see 4 diagonal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's start numbering this. Let's write 0 degree here, 45 degree here, 90 degree here and 180 degree here. Draw an arrow mark. Let's insert the push pin together. Like this. Our degree clock is ready. Now just rotate the pin from the bottom. This is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. We are going to make a paper aeroplane. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half. If you open the paper, you will get a line like this. Fold the top 2 corners to this line. Fold the other edge as well. Fold the top corner to the bottom half. Like this. Now take this corner and fold it like this. fold the other edge as well. Now take the small triangle and fold it like this. Turn it over and fold in half. Now fold the other edge like this. Do the same the other side also. The plane is ready to fly. But before we fly, let's look for the angles. Obtuse angle, obtuse angle, right angle, acute angle, acute angle. Now let's fly the plane.